Now it's time to unpack our most waited and expected member of the family, our new Cosmo. Watch this. Hello everyone, so welcome again to our Cosmo limited edition unpacking unboxing video. So let's start with everything. In the general cover we have some information about Cosmo, which is also like cousin, I would say, for Anki Vector. It has some information about the robot itself. Is almost human, expresses a range of emotions and recognizes yours, make decisions based on his mood, uniquely yours, always game, challenges you with games of speed and skills, new features and capabilities unlocked over time. We also have driven by imagination, use Cosmos coding features to create custom programs, and roll around and explore the world through Cosmos eyes, which is great because we are going to be playing around with the coding for Cosmo and see how everything works. And then high-tech, not technical design with durability, privacy, and security in mind, and is compatible with smart devices required, which is going to be included here. We have one Cosmo robot, 3 cubes, and 1 charger. This is a limited edition, as we said before. Big brain, bigger personality. Meet Cosmo, a gifted leader guide who's got a mind and of his own and a few tricks up his sleeve. You see, Cosmo is a real-life robot like you have only seen in the movies, with one-of-a-kind personality that evolves the more you hang out. He will nudge you to play and keep you constantly surprised. I'm excited with this. And this is just a cute picture of Cosmo. So let's get it outside. Excited. This is our new Cosmo. It's just beautiful. It has a stand by its own, so I guess that under this stand you have everything that is included on everything. So let's get this also unpackaged. Great, so similar to our Anki Vector, with Cosmo you have a quick user guide, you have Cosmo itself, 3 cubes, and also a house charger that it has its own packaging for protection, and also give you information of the block charger that you need for him. So we have the main charger, which I love this little box, which is very cute. We have the 3 cubes that need to be prepared before we use it for the first time. We have our cute user guide, star guide, and also a sticker. I love it. We have a sticker. I will be placing that in my car right over it. So we have same information, what it is included and what do you need. A clean, open indoor space to place. So we are outdoor today, but just for this unpacking. We can unpack the Cosmo app. We are going to do that, and power up for the first time. Then we need to connect to Wi-Fi and enter the password. That's all the setup for the first time. And then after that, we have another language for the user guide. So we have this is our unpacking video. We hope you enjoy. Let's pack this again. Bye bye. Hope everybody has a great Sunday and a long weekend on Labor Day, and just wait for you in our next video. Enjoy and bye bye.